Today I am coming along with an open collab, you guys. Yes, me and Tree have decided to do another collab. You guys, this was going to be a little easier, and I know a lot of crafters have been putting out, hey, let's start using our stash basically. So anyways, but me and Tree had a twist to it. It's called Finally Crafting It. It's a monthly open collab, again hosted by myself and Tree from Craft On. You guys, this one will be every third week and third day of the month. So this would be the third week, and this will be on a Wednesday. Make it easier instead of an exact date. So the third week, the third day of the week. So third week and Wednesdays. So anyway, sorry you guys for all the babbling. So this open collab is basically using your items that you've had stored away and had started or have started and never really finished it. And yeah, that's one thing me and Tree have in common, that we start items and we just do not finish them. I don't know, a lot of you guys have that, and then we have a mindset of possibly entering a challenge, and then as for myself, I start doing something and then get so sidetracked, and then yeah, anyways, so this one is for that reason, just to craft what we have on hand, use what we've have started, or what we have on hand, what we have out in reach. We've received so many crafty items from our crafty friends, and I don't want to use them because they're so pretty and somebody else made it, and I just don't want to take credit for that. So yeah, so now we have decided to go ahead and start using it, go ahead and start gifting it, go ahead and start using it and craft away, and then oh my gosh, gift our creations out, with the intent of using, of somebody else's project. Anyways, so today, since this has been in the works, but it was always last minute, like we procrastinate, we're very good procrastinators. So this was a little box that I made. And then I did use scrap pieces of paper that I've had for a long time. This is a KS Craft box. I did make the box, and of course I did use my scraps of this paper. So I had to, I think I think I didn't finish here because yeah, I was like on my last few pieces. So I think I finally got it. And then so you guys, if you guys remember, I bought this at Walmart and I'm loving it. So this, like, see, these are items that I started and just never finished. You could just tear the stuff away, do something to it. So there you go. So that's items that I have. I don't know if you guys, I have a bin full of items that I've had here for a while. But these are the ones that I've had in my desk for a while that I've been trying to use. This was oh my gosh, I thought she was so cute for my giveaway challenge. So, oh my goodness, I can't remember who it was. Sent me this on the packaging and I loved it, so I did cut it off and I am going to reuse it. So that goes right there. And just rosettes that I've made. This one, I've made a few of these, and I think I'm just going to finish doing some pocket letters on these. I have started but never finished. And just these I did on my Cricut, you guys, and they are just laying there. I did do this recently and I just like, okay, I'm done. I completed something but not totally completed. So that's one item that I'm going to be working on. You can do one item or a whole collection of items. It's up to you how you want to do it. We leave it up to you because of course we understand some of us have no time or very little time, and then yeah. So anyways, these are some of the items that I have here laying in my desk. This Alicia Wagman sent me. I did cut these a while back and they're just been sitting there. So my intent is to finish this and send it off. And I did start it, and now I don't remember where I put all the pieces. I've had this for a while. Okay, some of you guys know I've had that for a while. So let me see if we can complete something. You guys, I totally seriously had something here for you guys, and I think I scattered everything everywhere. I did do these. This is like a little oh my goodness, sorry you guys, this is like a little banner. I have a die. It's a physics a die, I believe, and it's a banner, and then I had a star right there, so I just added that onto my rosette. I did have different colors, and yay. So I do sometimes just end up start, you know, die cutting, and just leave all my pieces in here like I have here. I do use this tray as well because this is bigger. This one I like it because I could just throw stuff that's already completed. So yeah, anyways, so let's start and see. Let's do something. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I've had this for a while. Let me see. So it totally is going to be a totally different thing because, like I said, I already had something in mind, but the items have disappeared. They are just no longer here. Let me see. And you guys, like I said, this was our first video, and like I did procrastinate because oh my goodness, it's been crazy at work. So that is there. Let me see. Okay, let me see if I can find something else. I might put you guys on pause, so that way I can just, you know, heat up my glue gun and just, you know, start gluing stuff. This is one of the other bags that I do have that has been sitting here, and some of the items are completed. I just, like I said, haven't had time to sort through it. I just threw them all in a bag and just said I will sort them later. And yeah, so far, yeah, it's been here. So okay, you guys, I'm gonna do this a fast. Probably it's gonna go double speed once I finish recording. So I just wanted to show you guys. So thank you for watching. Okay, you guys, thank you for taking the time to watch. I just wanted to come really quick. This didn't take that long, you guys. It just took like a few minutes. It's just, you know, getting everything together. So yeah, it's a nice, awesome way to start finishing those projects that you started and haven't finished, or you just want to finish them off and send some happy mail. Anyways, thank you guys for taking the time to watch again. We'll see you guys next month on the 3rd week on Wednesday, you guys. So thank you so much, and thank you, Tree, for hosting this with me. I'm so excited to be partnered up with you again, and you know, yeah, anyways, we'll see you guys. Bye for now.